Dude, what took you so long?
Well, I was looking for stuff.
What did you even get?
I got some gum and then some quarters.
Gum and quarters. Wow,
Oh,
we're rich.
wait. There was something up here, like a little black cylinder with a little eagle eye, and was like staring at me. It was pretty cool.
Idiot, that is a camera. A dash camera. Go grab the footage before we get caught.
Introducing the next level of dashcam protection, the DR770X Box and Box Truck. The DR770X Box combines 3 full HD dashcams with our new box unit, which houses the footage of your dashcam in a discrete location. The new box design not only gives your dashcam setup a sleek and stealthy look, but also ensures that if your dashcam is tampered with or stolen, the footage remains safely stored on the box unit with a built-in lock. The front, rear, and infrared interior facing camera record in full HD for full coverage of your vehicle, while the small form factor helps the cameras blend right in with your vehicle. We've also added an all-new SOS button to trigger manual events for even greater levels of control and protection. With the DR770X box, you'll have access to BlackView cloud features such as event notifications and live event upload, so you can stay connected with your vehicle even when you're away. The DR770X box is also available in a box truck model, which includes a waterproof infrared rear camera suitable for most large trucks. The DR770X box series. The next generation of dashcam protection has arrived. Find yours at blackview.com.